Eggs. A humble and quiet gift, one that seems to find its place in every kitchen. At first glance, the shell appears smooth and radiant. Yet beneath that natural surface, there are sometimes tiny traces of dust and imperfection that the naked eye can hardly perceive. Let us begin with a cleansing. A little pure salt dissolves gently in clear water. Gently lower the eggs into it, allowing them to sink and rest there for about 2 minutes, as though being soothed and cared for. With a soft cloth, lightly wipe away the misty film clinging to the shell. Eggs are born of nature, carrying with them the weariness of earth and sky. So one careful rinse beneath a stream of clean water will return their purest beauty to them. There is also a small secret for those eggs still drowsy from the refrigerator. Do not wake them abruptly with boiling water. Let them spend 10 quiet minutes in a bowl of cool water, getting used to the room's gentle temperature. That small act of tenderness will help the firm shell stay whole, never cracking when it meets the warmth. And now, let us try a kind of miracle that needs no flickering flame. Only a small bowl of water with just a touch of salt, enough to help the egg whites set more easily. Gently crack the shells, and 5 golden little jewels slip obediently into the water. The water itself will cradle them, preserving their soft and delicate shape. Entrust the little bowl to the comforting warmth of 170 degrees. No need to stand watch, no fear of water spilling over. Simply let time move slowly onward. As the buttery fragrance begins to wander quietly through the kitchen, if this unhurried rhythm is bringing you a sense of calm, then leave a subscription so our little kitchen corner may always have you with us. Because right now, the beautiful result has appeared. The tender white rests softly around a brilliant golden center. resting upon a rustic slice of toasted bread, touched with a cool green of lettuce and a scattering of pepper. Everything feels so perfect, it seems to melt the moment it touches the tongue. Now, let us try a way of cooking eggs that feels far more refined. A liter of water blends with a little sea salt and a few spoonfuls of bright vinegar. Place a steamer basket over the pot, then arrange the eggs inside. I like to gently mark 2 of them as timekeepers, while the others are left just as they are, still holding their quiet, rustic charm. Close the lid loosely and wait with patience. When the droplets beneath begin to burst and give way to rising waves of steam, lightly touch your phone and set a silent countdown. The lively flame from before is now lowered to the gentlest heat. 6 minutes immersed in that soft warmth. Just enough to awaken the 2 marked eggs. The moment they leave their dome of steam, they must be soothed at once by the crystal chill of a bowl of ice water. The remaining eggs continue on their own journey. At the 12-minute mark, they too will be lifted out and welcomed into that same cool embrace. The wonder of this method lies in the fact that the delicate shells never have to endure the direct agitation of boiling water as they do traditionally. Instead, the floating warmth of steam cradles them, nurturing their fragile form so that not even the smallest crack can appear. After 2 minutes resting in that icy bath, it is now time to admire their full beauty. With only the spine of a knife or the back of a small spoon, tap gently along the shell, creating a fine crack that runs across its surface. and the shell slips away so smoothly that not a trace of white is torn away with it. What remains is a glossy egg, tender and softly springy, like a piece of mother-of-pearl jelly.